This is the Hello World podcast. Some designers prioritize or focus on aesthetics first before content.
For me, okay, why content first? For instance, I'm working with someone new in the instructional design learning experience space. And when you ask them to put together, say, a course, um, my observation is what do they do first? Pull up PowerPoint,
Mhm.
then title slide, slide titles, and then just typing, um, you know, content. And then after a while, what they focus na is the fonts, the
Okay.
colors,
Mhm.
photos. But then after a while, if you observe it, if you do it that way, if you focus on aesthetics first, you sacrifice the content, of course. So for
Mhm.
me, it's content first, and then when you have your content, when you already have a solid content, it's very easy. It would be very easy to now figure out, okay, what graphics would support your content, or
Okay.
is the font readable? Those are aesthetics
Mhm.
to me are, well, really very helpful in learning, especially if students like seeing graphics and pictures.
Mhm.
It really is, aesthetics are like just a small part. It gives value, but it's just really a small part of the entire effort to build a learning program.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.